Hey guys, guess what? Welcome back to my channel. I got a very, 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 very beautiful surprise for today. And guess what? It's for my birthday. I want y'all to write down in the comment who you think got this. Come on. Let's take a walk. Are you coming? Come on. Why are you walking so slow? Come on, guys. Oh, come on. Keep up with me, guys. I want you to tell me in the comment who you think got this. Why are you back there? Come with me. Come check this out. This is a special delivery. Ready? 1, 2, 3, bang!
Look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
Very many. On this, you can put 18 slabs of ribs all together. And with chicken, if you cut them in half, you could go 3, 6, 9. You could fit 10 chickens, whole chickens in here. Okay, you got your smoke box. There your wood goes in. You have your temperature control. Let's back the smoke box up. You also have it on the other side. You have your temperature control. That's for when you put charcoal in this side. Because with this grill, you don't really need charcoal. All you need is your wood, your burning wood. If you're smoking anything, but if you want direct fire, you could do it with like the ribs. Eh? You have your smokestack. You have your adjustment for your smokestack. You can close them and open it. You got 2 split stacks up here. Which is beautiful. Alright folks, this grill was created by Devin Butler. His number is 678-591-9644. If you want something like this or better, contact him. His number is going to be inside the description. The grill has 2 racks, the top rack and the bottom. So if you're interested in the grill, contact Devin. You have your temperature gauge on both sides. So don't forget, contact Devin Butler, 678-591-9644. Contact him. He can hook you up. His number will be in the description. Thank you.